Guys, so today this girl was being really rude because don't look at my hair. Okay, so it's not different. She copied one of my looks and said it wasn't her original, so I'm trying to trick her. So look, started out fine, but
Can I get one of these? Can you wear me?
This is a Japanese candy.
No. Yeah, it is.
I didn't say no.
I thought you said no.
Can you close the door behind you? Okay, don't mind that. But my mom was feeding me so much candy and I love it. So this girl, she's wearing an outfit and it's kind of part proof, but she bought it today. I don't know how to really prove it, but there was one love and she was the one who loved it. This is my outfit. She couldn't buy these two items because they're VIP and she's a non-VIP. See? Exactly the same and all that stuff. And then she even replaced it with some white shoes. I had white all over mine. And a necklace. And I had a necklace. She even copied the goddamn freckles. So let's show you our conversation. And for proof, this was posted on December 1st. At 12:20 p.m. And she said hi, so I said hello. She said hi, so I said hello. She said, how are you? I said, good, how about you? Good and good. Nice, can you help out with my wish list? Like a few years. This is where it all started, because I noticed that she copied my look in the shop and bought it. So then there wasn't like proof that she actually bought it. No, sorry. I find it annoying that you bought my outfit. Like you can't make one for yourself. I'm sorry. Okay, sure. So what about your outfit? It's clothes. LMAO. And right now you're getting on my last nerve. I thought it was cute. And you know how much effort I put into that? But I don't care if I get fame for it. Or not the fame. The fame is to 5, not lots. Because when I do hard work to get these all put together, it's annoying when people buy it. Shout out to this Miss Scout. Well, you should tell people not to buy them. I have in the past. My outfit looks better on me. That's when I roasted her for doing it. Well, I'm sorry. I didn't know. I'll take it off. There. Actually, the outfit looked better on me. No offense. And that outfit you're wearing. Did you walk out of the movie Glee? LMAO, you look like you're going to snowboarding and try to get some boyfriends doing it while your attitude ruins your chance of getting a boyfriend. This is where she's wrong. What happened to your face, lips, and eyes, hon? I made it. It's better on me, girly, and I'm bi. And by the way, girly, I'm married. Question mark, girly. Question mark. It's not your outfit. Watch this. I bought it. I put it on my body. It's mine. Hey, guess what? You are talking trash. I am talking too trash. Yes. Let me find someone who will hit you with the bus. right? Because you can't drive. Boo, you chose wrong. Now, time to get exposed on my YouTube. I'm going to show you why you should not do this to me. You bought it. So I have proof. Wow, people watch your YouTube. That's so cool. LMAO, sure. I have 61 subs, Boo. You should change the outfit you're wearing, Boo. LMAO. I have 498 subs, and I never post YouTube videos. Okay. But yeah. So like, I made this outfit. Bruh. Let me show you why I said, let me find someone who will hit you with a bus, okay? It's in a song, and I really enjoyed that part. Okay, ready? Let's go to the part where it is.
Oh, hey, baby.
Aww,
Hey,
great. I hate commercials.
What? Oh, no. Are you throwing a birthday cookie party?
Portal, starting at $149 for a limited time.
Let's go. Okay, so about right here. Ready? Did you just see that? Did you just hear what they said? Clearly, I love them. Let's hit her with a truck. That's what I felt like doing to her. Yes. That girl is wrong. Disgusting! Anyways, if you would like to report her, you can. If you would like to call her a liar, you can. Or you can just support her, but I don't really know why you would do that to a liar. There, the accounts she made saying she was beautiful and stuff. So,
Amy, honey.